bees. I might have squished a few bees. So they can still get her.
With that black, with that wire in there too? Yeah.
Whatever, that'll come out when we... Just don't want her to fall. That's the one I don't want that to happen. Fall. I should have brought a rubber band.
Put something tight against it. Oh, there's a rubber band under here.
I don't like what I'm seeing going on here. This is not good stuff. Don't do that. That will hold it there. I'm going to put our... Now we're going to put our bees. That's where I want them to go, right there, man.
That's so cool. Woo! That's a lot of bees.
Get that stick out of there.
One just winged off the camera. Ow! It was on my finger.
They're coming out. They're coming out.
Oh, it was on my finger.
And the rest of these guys will leave me in the entrance here. Maybe I can get them out. There we go. More of them came out. Got to shake them together. They're already coming out the opening here.
With the hive tool.
Where'd it go? It's underneath here. I just want to make sure the queen cage is... You know what? I could take that brush. There it is, right there. There's the wire's right there, so it's still in there.
Good. It's perfect.
All right, so I don't know if I should put some. I do want. Where's my tool? I need my. I'm gonna leave this.
And what? Here's your lids.
Here's my. One second. Here's my extra feed. I'm thinking.
Here's the
I'm
lid.
gonna give this to them. I don't necessarily see a downside. There she is right there. Okay, so we're in good shape. And they're already in there. I can see them going in the hole.
Good.
All right, let's put that lid on. Can I have that? Oh, need my top cover.